Hey, y'all, look at this. So this is Margaret Keenan, a 91-year-old resident of the UK, who was the first person to take the official COVID-19 vaccine. Now, we've talked about these type of things before, so I don't really got to go too deep. But look at this video. Towards the end here, look at her hand. And it's quite out of the shot. You can't see it in the video, but here's a picture of that moment when she poses for the camera. Look at her hands. Again, I'm not going to go too deep, but for those who know, they know. Something fishy is going on, guys. Please vibrate higher.
You're part of a moment of history, first to receive this vaccine. How does that feel?
It hasn't sunk in yet. I can't really answer that question yet. It's just really, I don't know what to say. It's just overwhelming, I suppose, really. Yeah.
And what do you say to those who might be having second thoughts about having this
Well,
vaccine?
I would say go for it. Go for it because it's free and it's the best thing that's ever happened at the moment. So please go for it. That's all I say, you know.